We're gonna go about this video is we're gonna obviously be checking out this RO water filter. Now this is the under the counter one. I actually didn't install it into the wall because I wanted to be able to show you guys what it looks like outside the install and all the ins and outs versus other people just saying like, look, the water comes out. I want to show you guys like fully everything. Now, really quick before what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the camera, turn it around, let's get up and close and check it all. In the end, this is the end product that you care about, is having water come out, super clean, super fresh, all from this with the full filtration system. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab that camera and let's go through all the ins and outs. Now this is the unit that's gonna do everything. It's gonna start from here, work its way over, and then the good water is gonna come out. How this works is you have 3 different tubes, okay? From your cold water pipe right here, you're gonna attach this piece right here, which then brings the white cord into here. So this is the water inlet. It goes through everything, and then you're gonna want 2 things to come out of it, a blue and a red. Now what's gonna happen is the red goes into this. By the way, it comes with everything step by step, super easy install by the way, of how to do this, and that's gonna discard the bad water. The blue water goes here all the way up, and I got a light in here to be able to show you guys. Let's see if I can get in there. All the way up there, and it connects in to this. Now the fresh, clean water comes right out of that, simple, super fast. The pump turns on when it needs to, which is super nice, and it turns off automatically, which I really like that it's not just this constant humming. When you're done using that, this will then turn off, so it's nice and quiet, and it only turns on when you use it, which is really nice. Shows pressure, you know, the pressure, the PSI of everything going on. Absolutely love it to be able to get all the bad stuff out to then get the perfect clean water. And yes, I have a family and I want to care about everything that we're putting in our bodies. And I want to be able to make sure that we have the best of the best. These tanks are all replaceable. They are filters, so over a long course of time, after you've been using it, you do need to replace them, but it's super easy. You just twist off and it comes right off, and then you put the new one in. Now you can have it just sitting on the ground like I had here, or better yet, what I'm gonna be doing, I just wanted to show you guys all this versus just, you know, as I said at the beginning, you're gonna have screws that will go into the wall, and then it will rest right here, so it can be resting on this wherever you want that it is. This can be elevated off the ground, so it's super easy to put on and off. Love everything about it. The install was extremely easy. Can't say enough good. Long story short, water comes in, and then bad water goes out, red, good water, blue, goes into your mouth. Absolutely love it. Hope you guys enjoy it.